If you happen to be in the generative AI images space and you have already explored various stable diffusion tools, the likes of Midjourney, DALL-E, or Adobe Firefly, I would highly recommend you to explore Leonardo.ai. Now, the website offers various tools like image generation, real-time canvas, and even motion graphics. My topic for today is going to be real-time canvas because this is the one which sets it apart. Now, for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to make use of one of the poems by Robert Frost, which is called The Road Not Taken. And so let's assume that I have to create an image which is a representation of this poem. So I'll take note of some of the important keywords which are to be used in our prompt. So for example, two roads which are diverging, yellow woods, morning, and of course we have to showcase that one of the paths is least traversed. It is difficult to draw such an image using the prompts only. However, over here, one of the capabilities of real-time canvas is that I can draw something and then reinforce or complement it with my prompt, and in real time on the right hand side I'll see the result of it. So to begin with, I need to draw the path. I'll pick up a brush stroke which is smaller. I'm gonna keep it a little darker, however not too dark, and this is going to be a view of how my path is going to look like to begin with. So this is the path representation. Now as soon as I draw something on the right hand side, I see an image, but because I've not provided anything in the prompt, the tool is free to choose whatever it thinks is the best representation of it. I'll go ahead and try to make it a divergent path with a bit of a curve. The same I'll try to do on the right hand side, and here you go. Now one of the things I'll suggest you to explore or fiddle early on is the creativity strength. The lower the number, the more the output is going to be influenced by what you're drawing. The higher the number, the more you're allowing the tool to be creative, as you can see here. So you need to find the right balance. But at this point of time, what I would like to do is to provide input or a prompt to influence the right sort of image that I want. Okay, now to make sure that one of the path is a proper one, I'll pick up a larger stroke size and I'll try to pick up a color which is a slightly more obvious one so that I can influence this to see in here. I'm gonna make it a little larger, and you can see this is the output view of it. Again, picking up the right creativity. Now I want to showcase some of the woods. So again, we'll go ahead and pick up a yellow color because we want to show somewhere between yellow and greenish as woods. And I'll try to draw some element here, which would be representation of how we would want the woods to look like. And you can see that the same canvas is now influenced, and we now have a view which is leading towards the woods. Another capability that the tool offers is the sort of art which is being generated. Right now I'm in the fantasy art, but you can choose a, for example, sketch black and white, or this could be a real-time painting or a photography. And again, I can keep on drawing and make it more interactive, but I hope you got the idea, and this is one of the finest tools that I've come across which is free. I hope you like it, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you.